Hello guys, welcome. In this video very quickly I will show you how to create an ID.me account. So guys, it only takes a few seconds. Sign in. After that, as you can see in here, create an ID.me account. Press on that. So in here you just fill everything up and fill everything in. Email, password 2 times and accept the terms. Also you can tap on view more options and you can also sign up with Facebook or Google. So I'm just, okay, and this is pretty much it. As you can see, I'm already signed up. Also, you will need to set up a multi-factor authentication, which is going to be different methods. For example, passkey, phone call or text message, etc. And after that, setting up your two-factor authentication, after that you get a message to your phone or get a call, confirm, and then your account will become accessible, of course. So guys, very simple, just perform these steps. For example, choose text message or phone call, and then just continue. As you can see, just register your device, continue. All right, and pretty much that's it. So guys, enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.